Speaking Adam 93, be advised, it's going to be information only. Driver failed to yield. Last traveling eastbound on Brantford towards Arleta. Vehicle's going to be a blue 4-door Honda Accord.
Mission units information. Driver failed to yield. Last seen eastbound Brantford towards Arleta. Blue 4-door Honda Accord.
Adam 93, we're code 6 on the vehicle. We're going to be in Arleta and Osborne. Vehicle's making an eastbound turn on Osborne from Arleta. Adam 93 shows some pursuit of a reckless driver.
All units and all frequencies stand by. 19893 is in pursuit of a reckless driver. Arleta and Osborne, correction, eastbound Osborne from Arleta. Suspect vehicle is a blue 4-door Honda Accord, pressing a backup bearing a Subaru.
Adam 93, we're going to be on the 5 freeway northbound from Osborne. Vehicle's going to be a blue 4-door Honda Accord. Can I get an airship?
19893 is in pursuit on the 5 freeway from Osborne. Suspect vehicle is a blue 4-door Honda Accord.
19050 from Rinaldi and Sepulveda. I'll be monitoring.
19050, code 8 from Rinaldi and Sepulveda. 19050 is monitoring.
What's the updated location?
19893, your location.
Got it. 5 freeway. Drop the gun.
Driver, Arleta and Osborne, correction, eastbound Osborne from Arleta. Suspect vehicle is a blue 4-door Honda Accord, pressing a backup bearing a Subaru. Is in pursuit on the 5 freeway from Osborne. Suspect vehicle is a blue 4-door Honda Accord. 19050 code 8 from Rinaldi and Sepulveda. 19050 monitoring.
What's the location?
Hey,
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, dude! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking
What's the location?
Hey! Hey, it's your hand! Hey! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, dude! Officer needs help, he's got a gun! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun, dude! Hey, get cover! Get cover! Get cover! Drop the fucking gun, man! Drop the gun! Hey, get cover, dude. Which street is this? Get cover! Hey!
875 is covering the Teravella exit. Responding units respond on the off-ramp of Teravella. Area unit requesting all traffic shut down westbound Teravella Wall.
Teravella over call 3.
Hey, stop! Facing, so we have cover.
Responding units watch for crossfire down the south.
All responders are found at the off-ramp only, so 5 northbound off at Teravella.
All units respond on the off-ramp only.
Hey, bro, drop the gun! Hey! Martin, code 6 on the help phone. Stop it, we can talk about it, alright? You're not gonna be in trouble!
Down westbound Teravella Wall, Union.
6823, show us on the hood. Stand by! Stand by! Stand by! Get up! Hey, stop! Show us on the... Stop!
I'm going on the right side just to be clear.
We're gonna go around the driver's side of the car. We're gonna clear it. We'll make the approach for the suspect from the rear. Once we get up close, Ovsepyan and Kubias, you guys are gonna be arrested.
So I'm gonna focus on covering you guys that come.
Fuck, I can't clear because of the airbags. Okay.
Hold on.
Front seat's clear.
19 Alabama,
We can't see because of the airbags.
Hey, come on out with your hands.
That's clear for bodies. Clear for bodies. All right, arrest team. Stand by.
Whoever's gonna go hands on.
Except for the truck.
Who's gonna hook them up?
These two guys are. Okay, holster up. I got you guys covered. Let me get next to the shield. You guys are gonna come kind of walk.
Hold the truck.
Hold the truck. Hold the truck. Okay, roll them over.